What's up, my motor fans, and welcome back to our channel, Arcade Motor. And during this video, I am back after a long time. I know it's been like more than 2, 3 months, I think almost 3 months, because I have been testing this thing, and this logic is working very good on gold right now when I'm testing because it took me almost 2, 3 months to test that it's working all the time. Then only I'm sharing this logic. And in this logic, you don't need to trade all the time on manual. Like you remember my God mode indicator, which will show you exactly where to place a buy or sell trade. So you don't always need to use trade assistant. You can also trade with the HFT buy and sell robot. Remember the HFT buy and sell robot, which I will just show you because today I have to use HFT buy and sell robot because the market is sideways. How I understood the market is going to go sideways the entire day, I will explain. So just watch the video till the end, and this will be very informative. So I will make this video in English only. So if you don't understand, then kind of just ask someone to explain it to you because I don't want to make multiple videos all the time because it takes a long time and I get exhausted by such videos because I have explained so many times how to do this strategy, but this way is going to be the best. I don't want to make a Hindi video again, so try to understand whatever I explain. So first of all, I have given the settings. It will look just like this because everyone was asking how my charts are looking so good right now, how it works. So this chart, how to apply, remember, I will give you the link, which is the God mode link, which is already updated. I will just rename it because I had already given this update by September, but I didn't tell about it because I was like, okay, maybe it will not work that good because not every day we will get a trade, but now I am pretty sure this will be a very good settings. So first of all, remember you have to download the files again. Just click on download. Once you download, you have to extract the files. I have already downloaded and extracted the files. Once you extract that files, you have to copy these two folders. Just copy them. Okay. Now open your MT4, go to file and go to open data folder and in here paste these things. Okay. Once you paste it, you have to just open a 5 minutes gold chart. Open it on 5 minutes gold chart and keep your auto trading on. And once you have done this, open that template that I've given, which will be for the gold only because I just want to trade gold. Gold is much easier to understand and I always get profit every day. So with this strategy, first of all, the take profits are different. Right now it's around 9,500, which is the main purpose of the strategy. The thing is, whenever the market is not going up to the 9,500 points, then just understand the market is going to go sideways the entire day. Okay, entire day. But it will also depend on the news. So always keep your news open, which is from Forest Factory. This page just make it bookmark, and in here have this settings on. See high impact news and this is medium impact news. This all should be selected. Okay, just have it like this. I always use Forest Factory, which is best, and select all this news. You don't need China news, so CNY is for China. So just select all these things and apply the filter. And now see the news for the day, which is on Tuesday. You can see there's not much impactful news, and we don't trade up to 7:30 p.m., which I will say you just use this strategy from this is for India, okay? Remember, this is for India time zone. The strategy will work from 10:30 a.m., which is on morning, to 5:30 p.m. Up to 5:30 p.m., you should keep trades open, or just try to close the trade from 5:30. You should not wait for the news because news may give you losses or something, which I will just show you. Just today, this day trading, I will show you how I end the day, how much profit we make with the robot, because today I will do only robots because I already know that it's going sideways, which I will explain how. So first of all, this is the entire time you should trade. Okay. With the robot also you can hold a bit longer. Just see that the trades are closed, which I will explain how to do. And also from 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m., you should notice how the market is working, which I will just show you how to find the patterns. Okay, find if market is sideways or one side, because this is the only time you can trade with the strategy for manual. If you find a trade manually, okay, then you should trade at this time only with the trade resistance, which you have to place the trade. Okay, but if you don't find a trade during this time, then just place your robot and be done with it. And on 5:30 p.m. also, you should place another alarm. Okay, use an alarm clock on your VPS or on your system. Okay, place two alarms. Okay, always place alarm because you cannot trade against that time. Okay, first of all, the first alarm should be on 10:30 a.m. Okay, which is on the mornings and for every day up to Friday. Okay, and up to we don't need to snooze. So 10:30 a.m. should be one alarm, and the next alarm you should set it on your phone. Okay, you should set this on your phone, which is for 5:30 p.m. So on 5:30 p.m. you have to manage the robot. If you have placed trades on your robot, then you have to manage the trade, which I will show you how to do it when 5:30 happens for me today. Okay, I will show you. But you have to place these two alarms on your phone because which is very important. Okay, without the alarm, don't trade. And I hope I'm recording. Am I recording? So once you place the alarms, now let's talk about the strategy. So the strategy is a bit different now. Right now, these are the 20 EMAs. Okay, this is two EMAs which will cross like this. Okay, the first green line is for 20 high EMA, and the middle line is for 20 close. Okay, and the 20 last one, it is for sell. So the strategy, and also this is another moving average, which is the 100 EMA. So whenever the candles are above this 20 EMA, okay, then only place the buy trades, and also the next candle should be on the buy. But on the next candle, when you get this arrow, you can see in here, you have to wait for the next this candle and this candle also. If it's reversing and if it's touching the 20 high point, then the market will reverse. It will keep on doing up and down, up and down. But if this candle and the next candle also goes by, then expect a breakout and the market will keep on going up till 9,500 points or even more. It can go even more. But if you get a 9,500 trade, that's enough for the day. It is one-sided market, one day profit. You can make more than 100%. You can see in here, my lot size is placed in a way that I am getting 109% returns if I get a trade. If you don't get a trade, put the stop loss. I have already set it in that way. So the stop loss will work with the this thing trailing. It will trail these lines, which is this green line. You can place it for the high. If you get a buy trade, put it on high. Go to trailing option and put it on high. Right now, in the settings, I have put it on the close line. So the it will trail this black line, which is the close line. Okay, which will give you more chance to wait. Okay. So if you don't get a trade in that way, if it's a sell trade, for sell trade, it should be following this line and it should be crossing it. Okay. And the first three parabolics should be the requirements. Like in here, you can see the second parabolic itself, you get a signal for buy. So you have to wait this entire candle and see if it's going up, because in here you can see it's not breaking this point. So you have to close the trade. If it breaks the point, it will keep on going up. If it doesn't break, you have to wait. Okay, and don't place any trade with the arrow if it's already past that point, because it will always reverse after a few points. It will always reverse opposite. And from 10:30 a.m., you have to see if the trade is going your way. And also in here, you can see there's a sell trade, but you don't place this sell trade because it's above the moving average. So you know it will not cross the moving average. As you can see in here, it never even touched the moving average, it reversed. And the time frame you have to use is 5 minutes. Okay. And this there's written in here this M5 parabolic, which is above. This is for signal for buy trade. It will give you the template notifications and also this arrows. Whenever this arrow is crossed, you have to set up your alert systems. Remember, I have told you in the last video, you have to go to notifications, and in here you have to give your MetaQuotes ID, which is given on the phone. You can also watch my previous video. I have already told you how to set up. So once you set my template, you will get this arrows notification, and you have to watch the market till 1 p.m. If it doesn't goes your direction and 1 p.m. is already done, as you can see, only 70 minutes are left. It's already 12:43, and I know it's going sideways. So whenever it's sideways, I will give you this settings also, which is for HFT buy and sell, and you have to put it on two charts, which is for one is for buy, one is for sell. So put it in this way. First of all, close to auto trading. This is for today because today is sideways. I will be putting the robots. So let's put HFT buy with my settings. Allow live trading, but keep this auto trading off because I don't want the trades to be placed immediately. So I will be using my settings. Okay. And this will be similar settings. I also use multiplier, but I will not give you the multiplier setting like martingale settings. I will give you the settings like this way. And lot size, you have to place it on your own, how much lot size you want. For my $1,000, I'm using 0.09 lot size. You can use more or less, it's up to you. And place it for buy, okay? And keep the auto trading on like this. And put it for sell also, HFT buy and sell. Put it on a high, and let's put it on my settings. So if 5 trades are placed, then only I change the settings. It's up to me, it's my optimization. Okay, and now click on auto trading. So today I will trade with the HFT buy and sell robot. Once it's 5:30 p.m., I will show you how I manage it. What I do is I see which side has more trades open, and I will keep the auto trading off on that side and wait for that those trades to be closed on its own, because this robot gives the trades with like take profit. Okay, remember it gives take profit on every trade. So I wait for the trade to be over, then I close for the day for 5:30. I will just show you how I do it on 5:30 p.m. But mostly when it's 5:30 p.m., I have the alarm. I just close the auto trading on here and click on OK. So it will not place any more trades once it's closed, because it will touch the take profit, then close the system on its own, and I don't wait for the news to be over or something. You can even close the auto trading from 5 p.m. because from after 5 p.m. on 6 p.m. always the market does very one-sided movement, and this HFT buy and sell works best on a sideways market. And you can see it's already placed a buy and sell trade with the take profit. It doesn't place stop loss because it doesn't require stop loss. It only places take profit. And right now I'm using the account of zero spread. So that's why the same price is given. So that's how I trade. Okay, on sideways market, every week there will be sideways market, and every week there is a potential of a one-sided market. Whenever you get a one-sided market, it will keep on going your way. Like I will show you in here, there's one trade I saw in the night. You can see this trade, such a clear indicator. It crossed this point on this candle. You see it already crossed it. On the next candle, I got the arrow, and see it went kept going up to 17,000 points, but there was a little bit of reversal from 9,500 points. So you can see we got a very good entry in here. So that's like if you place a lot size like me, it's like 190% return, which is insane. So that's like you can see how it's working. It's very good, and it will keep on trailing this line, which is the lower point, okay, or it will trail this close point, okay, which is the close point, and it will automatically close the trades for you, okay, which is a very good idea to use trade resistant. It will automatically trail these lines, which is going following this direction. You can see it's following the direction. So that's how the strategy works. It will follow the direction. Whenever the candles are going down and you get a arrow, which is right after passing this red line, which is the 20s low point. Okay. So you place a sell trade. Just see the candles should be very strong. It should be going down. Then only just wait 1 or 2 minutes and see if the market is going down. Then only place a trade. You can place the trade like in the very end of this candle. Okay. So it will keep on going down for you. Okay. Thanks for watching till here. If you have any more question, you can ask me on the next video. And next video, I will make how to trade. Like I will show you exactly how I traded like such a trade this manually because right now I'm doing with my robot, which is like going to do everything on my own. I don't need to touch it till 5:30 p.m. to close it. Okay, and still from 5:30 p.m. I think I will make roughly around 20 to 50% on a sideways market, which is very good. And the lot size is calculated as per that only, how much risk I want to take. So thanks for watching. See you on my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here